Hello everybody, today we are going to look at the SUMIF function. A SUMIF function is used to add certain values in a dataset based on a particular criteria. Now it has three arguments. First one is range. It consists of those cells which you want to evaluate. Now these may be same or different than the cells that you want to add. The second one is criteria. This may be a certain number, expression, or a function which you want to apply on your range. And the final one is sum range. As I told you earlier, this option is optional because this is only used if the range of cells which you want to add is different than the range on which you want to apply your criteria to. Now let's have a look at one example. Let's say I have a credit card statement for a certain month, which is separated into different categories like rent, grocery, household. Now I want to filter out the bigger expenses which are more than $100 and add them. So how I will do that? I'll use the SUMIF function. First we'll specify the range where I want to apply my criteria to. Now in this case I want to apply my criteria on these numbers because I want it to be greater than $100. So whenever we put a criteria for a text or mathematical function, we always put that in double quotations. So I want it greater than 100. Since in this case we want to add the same range, we finish our formula here. I have this number here. Now let's have another example where I want to add only the expenses which I spent on groceries. So same way I'll use the SUMIF function. I'll specify, now my range would be this because I want to apply my criteria on this category where I want to match it to grocery. And my sum range would be this, which I actually want to add. Now it sees where I have my grocery items and then adds only those numbers. And as simple as that. So it's very easy to use this formula. Go ahead and try it on different things you want to apply. See you soon in next video. Thank you. Bye.